In today's video, I'm going to give you perfect natural remedies that can help you if you have knee arthritis or any kind of form arthritis in your body. Today, I'm going to recommend you something called Alfalfa or Medicago sativa, known as lucerne in some part of the world. It's a versatile and nutrient-dense plant that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's particularly celebrated for its own anti-inflammatory properties and its role in alleviating joint pain, making it a promising natural remedy for knee osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis of the knee, characterized by cartilage degradation and inflammation, can lead to a pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Alfalfa offers several key benefits for managing those symptoms. First, anti-inflammatory properties. Alfalfa is rich in saponins and antioxidants which help reduce inflammation in the joints. This can ease pain and swelling associated with knee arthritis. Second is rich in minerals. Alfalfa provides important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, essential for maintaining bone and joint health, and detoxifying effect. It has mild diuretic properties that help flush out toxins and uric acid, potentially reducing joint discomfort. And right now you can find those alfalfa in many forms on healthy stores, especially over the internet, and you will always buy organic product. What are daily dosage and how you can use alfalfa for the knee osteoarthritis? Alfalfa can be consumed in various forms as a tea, powder, capsules, or fresh sprout. For knee osteoarthritis relief, the typical daily dosage is alfalfa tea, 1 to 2 cups daily. Powder, 1 to 3 grams daily. Capsules, follow the manufacturer recommended dosage. Simple alfalfa recipes for joint support. Alfalfa tea, 1 to 2 tablespoons dried alfalfa leaves, 1 cup hot water. Steep for the 5 to 10 minutes, strain and enjoy. This gentle tea can be consumed up to twice daily to help soothe joint pain. Alfalfa sprout salad, 1 cup fresh alfalfa sprouts, 1 small cucumber sliced, half avocado diced, a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Toss together for refreshing mineral-rich salad for supporting joint health. For many other health benefits or any other natural remedies that can help you a lot with your knee osteoarthritis, please watch my video right here. Thank you for following me. See you the next time. Bye.